Hello friends, welcome to Codemaster. Today I have come up with a very big update for everyone. And before going inside the video, if you're new to Codemaster, please subscribe to Codemaster. Come on, let us go inside the video. The biggest update is that Capgemini Tech Challenge. So Capgemini has announced this Tech Challenge for the year 2020, and this Tech Challenge will happen every year. It is like a hackathon, and this hackathon is in different domains like campus hiring, full stack, Azure, like that. We have multiple skills, so we can participate in n number of the contest and we can get our prize money. So there are many levels also inside it. L1, L2, final level also is there. And if we win in the L1 and L2, all the L2 participants will group inside and participate in the final challenge. So before going inside that, we should first register for this challenge. For the registration, I have given the link in my description box. You can use that link and register for it. So after clicking on this home page will be opening. Here there will be option for register now. If you give register now, there will be a sign up option, and if you already registered, you can log in using that. Or first time if you are going to register, you should give sign up, and you need to fill all these details and user sign up. So I have already created my account. I am going to log in using that. So after logging in, there will be many tracks. You can select any of this contest below, like Adobe AEM, AWS, Azure Campus Challenge, like that. Many contests will be there. You can select any one of these. So if I'm selecting all those and giving next, it will ask your personal information. You need to fill all your personal information here. So once after you filling the following information, you can take the L1 of all of the contest. After filling all your personal details, you can directly participate in the contest. So inside this page, if you give participate now, it will go to the dashboard. So I have selected some of the technologies. So for all those technologies, I am getting round 1, round 2 and round 3 levels. So as of now, round 1 is got enabled, and if and the next round 2 and round 3 it is locked. So once after you're completing the round 1 only, you can able to take the round 2 and round 3. So like that you can participate in this contest. So if you want to take some other challenge also, you can select here and you can take that contest. And next one is the leaderboard. Leaderboard is where you can able to see the people who have in the leaderboard option. So you can see their scores, location and everything you can able to see here. And next option is like invites. So this is the very good option in this challenge. You can invite your friends also for this challenge, and you can refer. There will be one link down. So if you see, there will be one unique URL will be there. Once after registering to this contest, you will get this unique URL. You can refer this URL to your friends. So if your friends joining with your URL, you will get 25 points. So once after there will be some leaderboard for this also. So for every joinee you will get 25 points. If you are the highest person with the scores, you will get prize amount of 50,000. So this option also you can do here. And the next tab is certificates tab. In the certificate tab, you can able to see all of the certificate for each of the challenges. First is the campus one. In the campus, you can able to see 6 certificates totally, and for the campus challenge, there will be 4 certificates. So for each of the challenges, there will be a participation certificate. So you will get the participation certificate for participating in this coding challenge. And next, we are going to see about the campus challenge. Campus challenge is mainly for the freshers and the college students. So in this challenge, in the level 1 will be some aptitude questions and technical questions will be there. And if you clear the level 1, the minimum marks will be 40. You should get 40 marks. and if you get 40 marks, you will clear the level 1 and you can participate in level 2. In level 2, it will be a coding challenge. So there will be totally 50 languages. So you can select any one of these languages and you can solve the hackathon. So once you got selected, the top 5 coders will be selected from the level 2. So all the top 5 coders will be invited to the grand finale. And the grand finale, there will be top two coders will be selected, and the prize amount will be 50,000 and 30,000 respectively. And like that, you can able to get the price amount. And level 2 also, the minimum mark will be 40 only. And you can participate in other challenges also, but this is specially for the special freshers and the students. So next one is like, if you win the prize in the grand finale, you have a opportunity to get a job in Capgemini as well. If you go to the rules tab, you can able to see all the rules for this challenge. For the level 1, there will be totally 25 questions and only 30 minutes time will be allotted. So within that 30 minutes, you need to complete all the 25 questions, and all are multiple choice questions. And only two, you have 2 attempts to improve your scores. So if you get low scores in the first attempt, you can take the test again and you can get the high scores. And the mark for the one question will be 4 points, and you can able to see your score after completing the test. And the level 2 will be the online hackathon. For that hackathon, there will be one program statement. So there will be 7 days available for you. Within that 7 days, you can complete that hackathon. And you can submit n number of solutions, and the final solution will be considered. And if you click on the participate now, directly the question will be there. You can take your challenge and you can use any of the tools. You should upload the code in the Capgemini website. So all these details will be released soon. So the level 1 only now they launched on October 16th. Level 2 will be launched on October 23 only. So on October 23, you can able to see all the details about it. And level 3 details will be sent to only for the shortlisted candidates. If you shortlisted in level 2, the rules will be sent. And in the deliverables also, you can able to see all the details about it. So what are all the things you should consider, like that they have described everything. And for the level 2, it's like online hackathon. You can provide your solution in your online Git repositories also. So that is also allowed. So they are mentioning like a source code or repo link. You can directly upload your source code, or you can provide your repository online Git repository link. And demonstration video also they are expecting. And you can enhance your code based on the feedback. You can enhance your code as well. So all these things will be come inside the online hackathon phase. And and in the level 1, you need to submit at least one question, then only you can able to submit your answers. So some of these steps also they have given, so you can read it before taking the level 1 or level 2. So all the best for everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Codemaster. Thank you.